question.
Okay, what does your club sound like? If you had to put it in words.
A lot of grunting.
There's a lot of music involved and a lot of swiping sounds on the mat, on the floor, everywhere.
Laughing,
Talking.
Okay. If B can have a sound, what will that sound be? Like in general.
Really loud. Sometimes there's people crying. Sometimes there's people laughing.
Can you guys talk a little bit louder, please?
louder, lady.
Say it again.
Sometimes there's people crying. There's people laughing. There's people talking.
There's always people talking.
Yeah, there's always people talking.
And what sound do you hear in Beacon? Well, that's the same thing.
That's just the
Yeah,
So
that's
the- yeah.
insane.
Okay, use the, okay, so one more time. What does Breaking Club sound like? And you have to say the question when you answer it.
What
Breaking
does
Club
Breaking
sounds
Club
Breaking
sound
Club
like?
sounds like having fun, laughing,
Grunting, sweeping,
sweeping,
saying ow.
getting hurt,
It's fun!
getting hurt.
Okay, and so if Beacon had a sound, try to describe that sound with the question.
Beacon sound.
Beacon sounds like commotion. And
How do we answer that
Okay,
question?
how does the sound of Breaking Club make you feel? How do the sounds
happy,
of-
excited,
It's fun.
fun.
Fun hearing all the weird sounds people make.
Okay, wait.
Yeah.
Can you say that again without you talking?
No.
How does the sound of Breaking Club make you feel?
The sound of breaking makes me feel like happy because it's funny all the weird sounds people make. And sometimes Jeff, he makes a weird sound where he doesn't move, like
Fart.
yeah, he makes a fart sound. Yeah, he's standing over there saying like what? Yeah.
Good, nice, okay.